In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new form, create custom logic, and share that form. For the form example, we're going to do a classroom observation form. For the first part of this form, we are going to create an introductory section. In this question, we are going to ask the observer's name and for the name of the teacher that they're observing. For this question though, we already have a list of teachers in our database. So rather than creating a drop-down menu and typing out hundreds of teachers' names, we're going to directly link it to our teachers data room. And we're going to bring in the teacher's name and the school that they are teaching in. This will automatically bring in those options. We are going to, in this form, see whether this is the first observation that the observer is doing or the second observation. And we're going to use subsections in order to add logic to this form. In order to create a subsection, come to the top of the section and add subsection. It will automatically be created at the bottom of this form. We will call this section second observation. Within the subsection, you can then add follow-up questions related to the second observation. You can also choose the question type and select from a number of options. For this, we are going to use a paragraph. These functionalities can be really helpful. For example, if you want to check that your observer is actually on the field, you can use the location type and ask, please share your live location in the school. This means that you can trust your data and know that your observers are actually observing the teachers as you requested. This also works offline and so is fully functional on the field. Another way that you can verify that your observers are actually visiting the teachers is by adding an option for an image form. To do this, it works in much the same way. You just select question type and image upload. I'm now going to show you how to create a custom logic. So, for example, if this is your second observation, we do not want you to answer the questions in the first subsection. Instead, we want you to jump to subsection 1.2. You do this by clicking on Logic, selecting the section by which you would like to add the logic, and directing where to go. So, for this example, if you answer the question, when this question is asked, is second, then you should jump to subsection second observation. By using the subsections to jump through, your logic will have automatically been applied. Now, this is the best bit. When it's time to check your logics and preview how your form will look like when you share it, just click Preview here. You can test that all of the fields are working as they should, and this is how the school selection and teacher selection should look. So when they select a school from your database, the teachers from that school will automatically be populated, making it really easy for the observer to complete the form. If we select second observation, it should be really easy in the next thing that we jump straight to the second observation section. Once we have tested out the various functions of the form, then it's ready to be shared. You can simply click Share here and share your classroom observation form with your observers who are out in the field. I hope this video has been helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how Skizaa Forms can help streamline your operations in the field and in your office. If you have any further questions about how to use forms to the best potential, please don't hesitate to reach out to a member of our team and we'll be happy to assist you.